Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be decorating the living room for Christmas. So let's remove all the springy items and start decorating. So this is my giant holiday box. We have a pink tree, which is my old tree from Target, and I got it for like, I don't know, I used some sticker on it, $3. But then I got the Our Generation Christmas tree, and if you know me, you know, it's gonna get better, you know. So now we have a green tree. So that's our tree. We have all our stockings. So I think I have a couple of blank ones that I need to use up and put some names on. So yeah, we have some blank ones I'm gonna need to write names on. And then we have a Christmas outfit, which is great. So yeah, let's get the things we actually need and start hanging it up. You know? So we're gonna have to move some furniture around so we can fit this not so humongous tree in. So because this tree doesn't come with a lot of ornaments, and it also comes with ornaments that I don't really enjoy as much, and I have this collection of beautifulness from Michaels, we're gonna hang these up on the tree instead. So the sort of theme I'm going with is like, you know, the pearl ones, a couple of red and gold, you know, like all that stuff. I thought it would look good, so that's why I'm doing it. We're just gonna slide it on because it's an ornament. They're supposed to slide on. And just do that a couple of times. Ignore that space, please. Yeah. Montage mode. I got the tree done, so we're just gonna put it like this. And the final part is the star. Oh my gosh, my hands are so cold. Pop. It's not working. Wait one sec. I got the star up there. I had to bend it so it would look better. Yeah, let's start with the rest of the room and get in some holiday cheer in. Starting first, we need to address presents. So this present came with the tree. This present with a candle inside of it also came with the tree. More decoration stuff. All right. This did not come with the tree, so it's this really cute mini little bag. Here's a comparison to the dog, you know, stuff it in there. We have this fancy wrapping paper, and we're just gonna do this. Ta-da, there's another present. We'll put that over there. I think that might be all of the presents. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Oh, no, it's not. I have another. This is a gift card holder. You know, a perfect present. I feel like it came with three, but it didn't. Poop. Alright. Presents. So I have these little decal thingies from a light box. They're really, you know, cute, but it's for a light box, so there's not a big purpose. so, because I don't use my light box that much, just gonna lay them here, and because the wall is white foam board, you can see them. Here, let me show you. Ta-da! And you know, just makes it better. Alright, let's start more things. So we have this thing that's supposed to look like this thing, except I took this thing off and now it's a sign. And we're just going to put that on the shelf above the light box things. Like that. Ta-da! Beautifulness. Let's move on again. So these are stockings that came with the tree, and inside of them are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the ornaments that were supposed to go on the tree. Isn't that awesome? The fact that I just decorated the tree with stuff that I thought I lost, and then it ends up being here. Gosh. Let's just hang these stockings up, put the blue ones in them because I don't like the blue ones, and then we'll hang the rest of the ornaments on the tree. But you're not going to see that, okay? Capiche. So I hung them up towards the bottom. You see them? You're like one there, one there, one there, one there, none there, one there. Yeah, it's doing pretty good. And now we have these candles, like my accent change. We're just going to put them over there. And then put this one in the far corner. Oh God, my TV just fell. Yeah. So I have this packet of little things that are sticky in the back, not on the sides. I don't want them to be. But we're going to hang them up. And I think I'm going to hang the Fa La 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 one over here. And then we're going to hang the holly one here on this. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. So that's what I did. I did holly there, and then Fa La La there. And so, can you see my tape? Alright guys, so because I'm that most extra person out there who loves to sew, we're making some Christmas pillows. So I just chose some of my favorite fabrics, and I also have red felt, and we're going to be making some pillows out of them. We're going to make pillows for some bedrooms, the living room. I'm going to make 2 identical pillows to put on the dining chairs. Yeah, so let's get started. So, we're going to be using this fabric to make this pillow just, you know, for the chair. But I'm just going to be tracing this. But why I need to trace it is because it's such a specific pillow for a specific thing. I have to really get the measurements exactly. So I'm thinking about doing a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So I'll do that. And the way you make pillows is take one big piece, fold it over, sew it there, and then inside out, put stuffing in it, and then, or you make it a case, which is what I'm planning to do. And yeah, it just works great. So if you can see, I have all my pieces on the ironing board. So the reason why I have them here is because we need to iron them. Because one's like, these are really, really wrinkled and they need to be flat so you can get an even sew. Let's iron them. Guys, so these are the pillows. I think they are so cute. Definitely add some holiday cheer to this pretty much boring room. There's a lot of red, and that's why I didn't want that much red on the tree. But I think it looks amazing. Yeah. So that's Sora didn't work out. So instead, I had this great DIY. So, you know this Hydro Flask that I made in my last video? Here's a box with something in it. Here's a box. You just put it in there. Cover it. And ta-da, you have another present. Put these under the tree. Like so. And ta-da, you have more presents. There's a checkerboard and the thing underneath that. See? Yeah. Looking great. Also, I made this from another YouTuber's video. Really, really cute. Great present. Hanging it there. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you please comment, like, share, or subscribe if you really want to. And if you want to too, so you can know when I post another video, you can turn on that little notification belly thingy next to the subscriber thing. Bye!